through hails of bullets and punish your enemies with unspeakable power. ROG Phone drops you into the fray and makes you feel like you're really there. ROG Phone is equipped with ultrasonic sensing air triggers that let you use your index fingers for precise control and help you survive the toughest battle royales. The dual front-mounted speakers with SmartAmp technology for more volume and less distortion let gamers hold the phone with both hands without covering the speakers. DTS Headphone X supports directional audio over standard stereo headphones, so you can hear your enemy's position and beat them to the punch. The audio engine can handle high-res audio files and supports theater-quality surround sound over headphones. ROG Phone's advanced haptics design lets you feel every shake and rumble. The high-precision haptic pendulums can even stimulate directional vibrations. When used with compatible software, gamers can feel the recoil of their weapon and the impact of enemy attacks. ROG phones can be customized with great gaming accessories. Gamers can hook their phone up to a TV with the WiGig dock and GameVice controller and use it just like a gaming console. Asus WiGig dock and ROG Phone offer ultra-low latency 11AD wireless display connectivity for silky smooth gaming on big screens. ROG is also debuting the Twin View dock, which snaps onto the ROG Phone to provide dual screen action and a massive external battery for marathon gaming sessions. Gamers can use apps, talk to friends, and live stream games simultaneously. The Twin View dock is a serious gamer's dream come true. Prefer PC gaming? ROG also provides a mobile desktop dock that can connect the phone to a monitor, mouse, and keyboard. Game on the go or at your desk, it's your choice. ROG Phone, the weapon that takes gaming to a level beyond your imagination.